Okay, so now that we are at the home page of the app, as we can see on top here, we got the NGK apps. We got the NGK ads, and then underneath we have the application contract, and we have the elect mall, and right under that we have the block browser. We have NGK, Litecoin, and Ethereum, and all the familiar and famous coins. And as we can see under that, we have the relevant institutions, which are the 8 major sectors. Okay, under that we have the latest information, and we have this event button right here, where you can see the upcoming programs and events. And that's all. Okay, so now let's go and explore the assets page. There we go. Okay, as you can see here, my total account assets is 0. So let's say I would like to receive. First of all, we go to NGK. Okay, as you can see here, you got the NGK, USDN, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and ETC. And then we can go all the way. Okay, for example, I would like to receive assets. Okay, I will choose USDT. Okay, and then I'll go for receive. Okay, you have two payment methods. You have Omni and you have ERC20. Okay, I will choose Omni, and then you can whether copy the address or scan the QR code to receive the amount that you want. As you can see, I received 300 USDT, and yeah, that's it.